Hey everyone, welcome back to PC Guide for You. In today's video, we are going to talk about Stage Manager, one of the Apple's new multitasking features introduced in macOS as Ventura and improved in macOS Sonoma and later versions. If you have ever had your desktop filled with overlapping windows, browser tabs, apps all over on your desktop places, you know how messy it can get. Stage Manager was designed to solve exactly that problem. What Stage Manager does is help you organize your open apps and windows automatically. For Mac users who do a lot of multitasking, whether it's browsing, editing documents, or even with video editing, Stage Manager can make your workflow much cleaner and distraction free. Stage Manager will easily arrange your other open apps into a sidebar on the left. So without delay, let's get started and see that how you can enable it, customize it. So let's start that. You need to get into the system settings. So I have here system settings icon. So I'm just going to click on it. Go to desktop and dock, click on it. Now if you scroll down a bit, you will see here there's an option here, Stage Manager. So by default it is turned off. You can see there is a toggle button here. You just need to click on that toggle button, and then another option is show recent apps in the Stage Manager. The moment I will toggle this, there will be some apps coming here. It's not coming here as of now because all are minimized here. So the moment I will start opening the apps, you will see here in the Stage Manager, this is the Stage Manager that you can see right now in the left side. So this is how it works. So the moment you will start working with your system, you have multiple tabs open. The moment you want to switch your tabs, the recent tabs will automatically go into the Stage Manager. So whenever you need, you can just bring up the tab that you wanted to, just click and it will switch automatically, and the open tab will go to the Stage Manager. So this will make your work easier. I hope you like this video and you will get the advantage of this feature of Mac computers, which is called Stage Manager. Enjoy this feature and let me know if anything is wrong with your system. Tell me in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. PC Guide for You is here to help you with your issues. For more updates, subscribe now.